Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to guide you through the process of activating your Petal Credit Card step by step. So, you've just received your shiny new card in the mail and you're eager to start using it. Let's get that card activated. First things first, locate the sticker on your card that contains the activation information. It usually includes a phone number you can call or a website link to visit for activation. You can choose either method, depending on your preference. If you opt to activate your Petal Credit Card by phone, simply dial the number provided on the sticker. You'll likely be prompted to enter your card number, expiration date, and possibly some personal information to verify your identity. Once you've completed the prompts, your card should be activated and ready for use. Alternatively, if you prefer online activation, visit the website provided on the sticker. Once there, look for the activation or sign-up section and follow the instructions displayed on the screen. This typically involves entering your card details and personal information as well. After completing the activation process, you may need to create an online account associated with your Petal Credit Card. This account allows you to manage your card, view transactions, pay bills, and more, so it's a good idea to set this up if you haven't already done so. Once your card is activated and your online account is set up, you're all set to start using your Petal Credit Card. Remember to sign the back of your card for added security before making any purchases, and there you have it, activation complete. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.